Today, we're walking through Hub Mall at the University of Alberta in Canada. This is one of the most unique buildings on campus. It's not just a residence, but also an indoor street for the shops, food options, and everyday services. Many upper year and international students live here, right above the mall, making it a very convenient place to stay. Hub Mall also functions as a major corridor, connecting different parts of the campus, such as the Rutherford Library, the Humanities Center, the Business School, and the Faculty of Law. It stays active throughout the day. In this short video, you'll see the hallways, storefronts, and overall atmosphere, along with the natural sounds of daily student life. This should give you a realistic sense of what it's like to be here, whether you're visiting or thinking about staying at the University of Alberta.
That's what he looks like. This one's the one that